So going over installing your threshold for your luxury vinyl tile. Now there's different profiles depending if you are stepping up, if you're doing an even transition, things like that. So depending if you're going from the luxury vinyl tile to carpeting or to a hardwood floor that's lower or higher, etc., there'll be different profiles. Talk to your flooring supplier, they'll be able to tell you which one you need. Once you have the appropriate threshold, we have the metal track it clicks into, and then we have the threshold itself. Let's cover how to install that. Now, wherever you're installing this, you want to try to maintain your 1/4 inch expansion gap between the track and the end of the flooring. Now, you'll notice there's holes in the track. In a hardwood floor, you're simply going to run screws right through the track to attach it. For concrete, like we have here, clean up the concrete real good, and then you want to use Loctite PL MAX. Nothing else. This is the only Loctite that'll do it, and it will do it awesome. Just lay a fine bead and then press the metal track down into it. And if a little bit of the caulk comes up through the holes, that's good. That'll help lock that down in there. Like I said, if you can get it coming up right up out of those holes, that's great. That's going to hold it down even more. So now this was put in the other day, so this is now plenty dry and hard, and it is really in there. So now we're ready to install the threshold. Now make sure you have your orientation correct for whichever style you're going with. This is actually a step down, so I'm going to be putting this going this way. So now to install it, you'll have these two inside tracks that interlock with the metal track. If it goes in real hard, sometimes it helps to take like a flathead screwdriver and just twist the track apart a little bit to give you a little bit more clearance, but not so much that it doesn't lock in nice and tight. Now ordinarily, depending on what you're doing here, this would be overlapping the other surface. This is getting done with something different, so that's why I'm putting this directly over the concrete. So I'm stepping from the floor down to the bare concrete, just so you understand why I was kind of pulling the carpet away there. And that's all there is to it. That track is installed. Sometimes you can use a mallet to hit it down if you need to, or sometimes just your fist is enough. But I have a nice, good, solid lock on there, which is exactly what we want. And again, that track is held on to concrete with that Loctite. So that's all there is to installing the threshold in a hardwood floor or into a concrete floor. So I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit it with a like or subscribe to the channel. Always a lot more stuff coming, and there's plenty other DIY things on the channel. As always, I appreciate your support.